Honda introduced breakthrough engine innovations in 2025 that might change the automobile industry. Honda's achievements in hybrid powertrains and hydrogen fuel cells demonstrate its dedication to sustainability, performance, and technology. This video discusses how revolutionary advancements may affect the industry. Next-generation EHEV hybrid system. Can Honda's all-new hybrid system finally bridge the gap between fuel efficiency and raw driving excitement? A big step forward in hybrid technology is represented by Honda's recently introduced EHEV hybrid system. The system features a 1.5-liter direct-injection Atkinson cycle engine, leading to enhanced fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Driving dynamics and performance are both improved by the combination of this engine with a front drive unit that utilizes an electronic continuously variable transmission, CVT, with two built-in motors. The incorporation of Honda S Plus Shift technology serves to further improve the driving experience by providing precise control over the engine's revolutions per minute RPM during acceleration and deceleration, as well as by syncing the sound of the engine with the speed of the car, so making the driving experience more exciting. This new development demonstrates Honda's commitment to combining environmental stewardship with the joy of driving. V3 internal combustion engine for motorcycles. During the 2025 edition of the EICMA trade exhibition, Honda presented their V3 internal combustion engine idea, which was intended for bikes with a big displacement. Incorporating a world-first electronic compressor, this water-cooled 75-degree V3 engine is capable of producing high-response torque over the full RPM range. The compact design and cutting-edge technologies are built with the intention of delivering outstanding performance and efficiency. Therefore, they establish a new benchmark for the development of motorcycle engines. Honda's commitment to achieving the highest possible standards in motorcycle engineering is reflected in this invention. Hydrogen fuel cell technology, expanding the zero-emission horizon. As a component of its overall aim to attain carbon neutrality, Honda is increasing its dedication to the technology of hydrogen fuel cells. In collaboration with Isuzu Motors, the firm is working on the development of the Giga Fuel Cell, a heavy-duty vehicle powered by fuel cells that produces zero emissions. The company intends to launch the production model in the year 2027. On top of that, Honda is now conducting tests on its site in Torrance, California, using a stationary fuel cell power station. This is the company's first step toward the eventual commercialization of zero-emission backup power production. Honda's commitment to explore a variety of different routes for environmentally responsible transportation is shown by these efforts. Organizational restructuring, aligning with the era of electrification. Honda announced organizational changes that would take effect on April 1st, 2025, with the goal of accelerating its efforts to electrify its vehicles. The corporation has reorganized its business processes in order to place a greater emphasis on innovation and the creation of new technologies, which will be the primary factors in determining the value of future Honda goods. This involves the establishment of electrification business development operations with the purpose of bolstering its electrification business and accelerating the transition toward electrification with a strong feeling of speed. These modifications aim to enhance Honda's competitiveness in the current era of electrification and sophisticated technology. Collaboration with Sony, entering the EV market with Afeela. What results from the collaboration of the most dependable automobile manufacturer in the world and the master of technology and entertainment? Sony and Honda have formed a partnership to develop a joint venture known as Sony Honda Mobility. The collaboration's primary objective is to manufacture battery-powered electric cars under the brand name Afeela. The first Afeela car is expected to launch in North America in spring 2026. Production of the vehicle will take place at one of Honda's factories located in the United States. The goal of this cooperation is to leverage Sony's expertise in the entertainment and technology industries to create a unique user experience for Honda's electric cars. This collaboration marks Honda's debut into the electric vehicle industry with a focus on innovation and customer experience. Strategic partnerships and investments, strengthening Honda's position. Honda is making considerable investments and creating strategic collaborations in order to further its efforts to speed the electrification of its vehicles. Electric cars, EVs, and fuel cell electric vehicles, FCEVs, are expected to account for 100% of the firm's worldwide sales by the year 2040. The corporation plans to do this by investing an amazing $40 billion in EV technology and infrastructure by the year 2030. The launch of the Honda Zero Series platform, which marks a huge technical breakthrough in the development of electric vehicles, is the most important aspect of this project. Furthermore, Honda is working along with LG Energy Solution to manufacture batteries in Jeffersonville, Ohio, beginning in the year 2025. Honda's future electric vehicle manufacturing in North America will utilize these batteries. These projects demonstrate Honda's dedication to becoming a pioneer in the transition to environmentally friendly modes of transportation. Honda Prelude Hybrid, reviving a classic with modern technology. The resurrection of the Prelude as a sporty hybrid vehicle was announced by Honda as a way to pay homage to the company's illustrious history. Both a brand new hybrid electric engine and a brand new driving mode that will be referred to as Honda S Plus Shift will be included in the new Prelude. The hybrid engine consists of two motors situated adjacent to each other. One motor generates power for propulsion and batteries, while the other is a traction motor that captures regenerative energy when the vehicle slows. In the wake of an expected decrease in incentives and restrictions for electric cars under the government that will soon take office, Honda has shown its dedication to bridging the gap to fully electric vehicles by developing this creative design. With its reintroduction, the Prelude mixes traditional design with cutting-edge technology, making it attractive to consumers who are nostalgic, as well as those who are new to the brand. Honda Zero Series, pioneering the future of electric vehicles. The Honda Zero Series, a 2030 platform for 7 cars, demonstrates Honda's electrification ambition. The first production car from this series will debut at the 2025 Consumer Electronics Show and start deliveries in April 2026. The EPA expects Honda Zero Series vehicles with a compact battery pack and LG Energy Solution developed electric motors to have a 300-mile range and a below 10% battery degradation rate over 10 years. This platform has Honda's thin, light, and wise technology, e-axles and inverters that are smaller function better and save space. Future manufacturing methods like mega casting and friction stir welding will lighten automotive parts. Honda led the electric car industry's shift with these advancements. Global expansion and market strategy. Is Honda positioned to lead the global EV market, or is it too late to catch up? The expansion of Honda's footprint in important areas throughout the globe is part of the company's ambition to electrify its vehicles. Adapting to the requirements of the local market and the restrictions that are in place, the firm intends to launch its electric cars in a number of different locations. Through the use of its worldwide manufacturing capabilities and strategic relationships, Honda intends to hasten the adoption of electric cars and make a contribution to the reduction of carbon emissions on a global scale. Honda's dedication to environmentally responsible transportation and its position as a market leader in the automotive sector are both highlighted by this worldwide strategy. Like, share, and subscribe for more.